Every night, we live stories our mind creates. But why do we have dreams? Imagine flying over mountains or talking to a talking animal. Your dreams feel so real, but they happen only in your mind. Why do our dreams show such crazy things? Dreams are like a secret world we visit when we sleep. Nobody knows everything about them. Not even scientists. Are dreams just random pictures? Or do they have a purpose? They can make us laugh, scare us, or show us things we love. Every night, our minds create a new adventure. What makes dreams so special and mysterious? Scientists say dreams help our brains organize memories. When we sleep, our minds look at the day, what we did, saw, or felt. Dreams help us save important things, like a computer saving files. They can also help us solve problems or understand our feelings. But dreams are more than just brain work. Your imagination makes them exciting. You might fly like a bird, visit strange places, or meet people who don't exist. In dreams, you can be a hero, explore a jungle, or live in a castle. Anything is possible because your mind is free to create. Some dreams feel so real. You wake up happy or scared. Others are so strange. You can't stop thinking about them all day. Dreams remind us that even when we sleep, our minds never stop exploring. They mix memories, feelings, and imagination into stories. Maybe dreams help us learn, or maybe they're just for fun. Next time you dream, think, what story is my mind telling me? What adventures will you find tonight? Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments. Short answers are okay. What's the strangest dream you've ever had?
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to see more stories like this in the future.